the top case of 2024. This case is very interesting. In it, we will understand how much difference does it make if the punishment is less by one day. This case is of defamation between Rahul Gandhi versus Purnesh Ishwarbhai Modi.
In 2019, while giving a speech at a public event in Karnataka, Rahul Gandhi passed a remark on Modi's surname, against which Ishwarbhai Modi filed a criminal defamation case in Surat court, saying that this remark is defamatory for the entire Modi community, against which Rahul Gandhi said that my remark was targeted towards corruption. I did not intend to harm any community.
Now, Justice H.H. Verma found Rahul Gandhi guilty in criminal defamation case and gave sentence of 2 years. Now, the punishment of 2 years is important. If the punishment was less by one day, then there would not be such a problem. Because here comes the Representation of People's Act Section 8 and Article 102, which says that any MLA or MP will be immediately disqualified from Parliament if found guilty in any criminal case or is sentenced for 2 years or more.
Now, what happened in Surat? Rahul Gandhi found guilty in criminal defamation case and was sentenced for 2 years, because of which Rahul Gandhi was disqualified from Lok Sabha.
Disqualification means 2 years of jail and 6 years of disqualification, which means that he will not be able to fight elections for 8 years. Against which an appeal was filed in Gujarat High Court to impose a stay, which they rejected. Now the case reaches the Supreme Court.
Now, main intention was not to cause harm or damage. Thus, Supreme Court observed that trial judge has not ascertained any specific reason.
So trial judge didn't give any reasons, because of which Supreme Court put a stay on the conviction and removed the disqualifications, and Rahul Gandhi again became the member of the parliament. Stay tuned for more. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.